Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to get free Udemy course. So please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and smash up the subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up on this video. So the main aim of doing this tutorial is that there are a lot of individuals that can't afford or get an online paid course. So now that's why this tutorial is going to be simplified and simple. So after this tutorial you will learn how to get your free online course of your choice. So now the link here is udemy.com/course/free. so the link is going to be in the description. So now to get your course is now click on take free online course. So now these are the courses filter. So it has 562 result courses just here. So now you can choose your topic. So this is the topic area: the WordPress, Excel, HTML, personal productivity, goal setting, JavaScript, meditation, personal development, HTML5, investing, and lots more. And also here it has the categories. Here it has web development, other in IT and software, personal transformation, Microsoft programming languages, and lots more. So now it have levels. It have the beginner level, it have the all levels, it have the intermediate level and the expert level. So and the next stage here is language. It has English, Portuguese, Espanol, Turkey, Francis, and lots more. So you can, if you don't understand English, you can either choose Portuguese or other languages of your choice. This tutorial seems to be interesting, so please don't forget to subscribe. So now these are the courses area. So now these are the courses: programming 101, a mini course on time management, Amazon Web Service, how to speak to anyone and be fearless, HTML5 and CSS3. Those interested in web design can get this course. Git and GitHub crash course. So these are Linux tutorials. Those who are interested too in Linux and also ethical hacking can get this. So now here in the course that I'm going to choose, I'm going to choose this 7 scientifical proven steps to increase your influence. So now let's get into it. So now this is it. So this is a brief description on the course. So the title of the course is 7 scientifically proven influence. So learn the science of smart, increase your impact using 7 science-based steps. So now this is what you will learn here in the course here. So these are what you are going to learn. So let's wait for this to load up. And one great thing about this course is free. This is it, free. So now to enroll on this course now is, let's click on enroll now. So this is it, let's click on enroll now. So now this is the sign up form that we are going to sign up for us to proceed to the dashboard of the course. So now let's sign up on the course. So now let me add my Gmail account. So the password, let me write the password. So now then let's click on sign up. It's your choice to use the email to get exclusive deal on your courses. So now click on sign up. the sign up button here. So it's loading. So now answer 2 questions for personalized recommendation that match your goals. So now, what is your current career goal? So you can choose the aim of you enrolling in this course. So now you have 2 steps here. You can either skip it or you can either fill it. So let us just fill it. So let me just say enter a new field. Then I will click on next. So what's your current career goal? So what's your profession? So my profession now is I'm just assuming since it's here is just a tutorial, so I'll just click on finance. I'll just search accountant, then click on next. So it's loading to take me to the next. Thank you. So now click on finish. So now it has successfully redirected it to the course dashboard. So let's wait for it to load. Patient, let it in. Then view the insight on the dashboard. Now it's successfully loaded. So now here is the course dashboard. So about the course: learn the science of charisma, increase your impact and influence, and 7 income using science-based steps. So these are all the overview of the course. So this is it, and also these are the course content here. Step: you first finish section 1, introduction to influence, and you have a recommended resources here, and section engage audience. Section 3, be external curious. Section 4, use power body language. Section 5, once upon a time. Section 6, bear your emotions. Section 7, favor me. Section 7, favor me. Section 8, get contagious. Section 9, bounces and 30 days action plan. So these are it, and also it shows you your progress. This is your progress rate of the course. So this is it. So to get free Udemy course is just free. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and smash up the subscribe button for more latest update. Thank you.